Organs of the body, group of tissue that works together, are called organs. The heart is a fist-sized organ that pumps blood throughout your body. It's the primary organ of your circulatory system. Your heart contains 4 main sections, chambers, made of muscle and powered by electrical impulses. Your brain and nervous system. The kidneys are 2 bean-shaped organs, each about the size of a fist. The liver. The liver is your largest internal organ. About the size of a football, it's located mainly in the upper right portion of your abdomen. The stomach is a J-shaped organ that digests food. It produces enzymes. The lungs are a pair of spongy, air-filled organs located on either side of the chest thorax. The brain is one of the largest and most complex organs in the human body. It is made up of more than 100 billion nerves that communicate in trillions of connections called synapses. The intestine is a muscular tube which extends from the lower end of your stomach to your anus, the lower opening of the digestive tract. Although each organ has a special function, it also works as part of a group of other organs called an organ system.
Subscribe my channel, click on the bell icon.